Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add columns on Google Sheets. So in this case, I'm going to show you in my Google Sheet in my phone. So here I've already opened the Google Sheet apps, this one right here. And then I'm going to open a file. So I'm going to open this file. And then next, if you want to add the a new column or more than one column, you can just block the columns that is already exist, and then click on the plus icon at the top and scroll down until you find the insert column option. You can either choose to insert one column to the left or one column to the right. So you just click on them, and just like that, the column has been added into your file. So if you want to add more than one, you can just do the exact same steps like this, and the columns will be added. Okay, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.